Hello and welcome to the Cloudstreet Portal 4.0 video series. My name is Bruce Decker, and this video is the Cloudstreet Portal user experience demonstration. What we'll cover today: how a user creates their portal login, how document access is controlled and managed, how users obtain access to documents through the use of subscriptions, the document browsing experience, the dynamic document experience, user document annotation, and how we deploy on different devices. So first we'll cover how a user creates their portal login. They simply browse to the portal URL. They press the client login button on the home page. The login page is displayed, and the user selects "Don't have an account." Then a login setup page is displayed, and this page will prompt them for basic information, and you have the ability to also specify additional fields that you'd like to collect as part of the account creation process. That's it. The user has a login, but remember, they don't yet have access to any documents. So how is document access controlled? Well, we do this by what we call subscriptions. The user will fill out a subscription request. The subscription request consists of the specification of a division ID, the type of document they'd like to access within that division, and the customer ID or account number. That's then routed off to an approver, and the approver, once they approve this subscription, that can be used to unlock the documents on the portal that match that subscription criteria. Subscriptions permit users to access portal documents. In this case, this user, called Jim Sales, for division L1 and customer ID 13203, has access to invoices and statements, and these have been approved. If Jim Sales wants to add a new subscription, he simply clicks on the Add button, and a new form will be presented, and this form will prompt him for a division, and then once the division is selected, the document types for that division will then be populated into the document pull-down. They will also specify the customer ID or account number, and they'll specify whether they wish to be notified when new documents are published on the portal. The status is automatically set to pending approval, so the user will not have access until this subscription is approved. They save this subscription request, and it'll be routed to the approver. So now we show that a subscription has been added and that subscription is on pending approval status. Again, that means that this subscription request is not active, but it has been routed to the person responsible for approving subscriptions for this division, customer ID, or document type, and it will be approved, and then this customer will have access to that document type. Browsing your documents. The documents on the portal that match your approved subscriptions will be displayed. You can click on a heading to sort by that column. You can toggle columns on or off so that you can control which columns are going to be displayed within your listing. You can even group documents by a column value so that you could group together, for example, all invoices, or you could group together all documents related to customer ID 13203. Then you can also filter the results, and this shows a filter screen, and the highlighted sections here are showing that we can specify a certain division, document type, customer ID, date range, value, other fields that are useful to the end user to narrow down the list of documents. When this is done, the document list will then be filtered to match that criteria. And after that, the user can actually view the document by clicking on the view icon. The document will display, and notice that this document is actually responsive. It's going to look appropriate on a small form factor smartphone mobile device, and it will automatically adjust as well to display properly on a full-size browser screen. We notice that we have various types of content within this document, including a division logo. We have JavaScript included within this document, and we're using that to present a clickable, sortable grid. We have automatic pagination so that if we have larger documents, we can actually page through the content of that document. And in this case, we even integrated a payment gateway that this particular customer uses to accept payment. We also have tracking information embedded into this document. In this case, this is shipment tracking information. And we even have color-coded content. So within this template, we were able to design it such that various types of rows of information would be encoded in different colors to make it easier for the end user to pick out various types of lines within the document. We also have the ability to do an advanced query, so customers can build advanced queries to get exactly what they want. And in this case, we're showing an example where they're building up a query based on the fields that are available to them to really narrow down this list of documents to exactly what they want by building a custom query. And this is all done without your staff having to get involved. We also have a feature called User Notes, and users can add their own notes to any document. Just click on the Edit or Add Note icon, and up pops a window, and there will be an editable field where the user can actually enter their own annotation related to this document. Simply save that away, and it'll be stored on the portal for later reference by the end user. We support all forms of devices, as we've mentioned before. We support full-size browsers, tablets, and smartphones, and everything we've done within Cloudstreet Portal, including all the menus, all the forms, as well as all the documents, are responsive, meaning they will look appropriate for any device that the user happens to be accessing the portal with. So the goal here is to make it easy for users to get what they need anywhere on any device at any time. The user experience is designed to keep it really simple. A simple and intuitive access control, powerful search and filtering capabilities if you need them, powerful dynamic documents that link to useful resources. And this all adds up to less time that your staff will spend helping customers access their data. So that is the Cloudstreet Portal user experience video. My name is Bruce Decker. Feel free to contact me here. And thanks for watching.